Hello everyone, Kayla here, and welcome to the final video in the Eco series. I didn't intend to do a very long drawn out series because you guys may not know, all these videos are pre-filmed. Every single video on my channel is pre-filmed. So while you've been watching the Eco series, I've been in the background trying out the gels from my Black Friday haul. So we want to get to those, so that's why I'm going to cut the Eco series at this final video here. So, in this final video, I'm going to be talking about Eco Styler Crystal Gel. Crystal is another one of those gels that is level 10 hold and is also very easily found just about everywhere. It has the same leading three ingredients as the other very popular, easy to find gels of argan and olive oil, water, carbomer, hydrolyzed wheat protein. And then the only main difference between this one and the other ones is that at the bottom of the ingredients list, in the last like 3 ingredients or so, there's no oil in this one, whereas the other ones have an oil in the like dead last of the ingredients list. For real, it's like it's not even in there, right? This one, it really isn't in there. So I found that this gel had a much better scent, a much more subtle scent than the other ones. I'm gonna be real with you, I think it smells like Dial hand soap, okay? It smells like Dial hand soap, but you have to like put your nose in there to get the soap smell. And when it was on my hair with wet hair hanging around my face, I couldn't even smell it at all. So it's extremely subtle. So if you're someone who does not like scents or you're sensitive to scents, this would be a good one for you because I could not smell it like at all. Now, as far as how it performed, this sucker right here is picky. She's a picky one. She's sensitive, okay? The first time I used it, I had some of the argan oil gel left, and then I opened this and put this on the front of my hair. I actually, in the video where I did the argan oil gel, this is what's on the front of my hair, and you can see that my hair is puffy and undefined. And I don't know what it was, but I just could not get the front of my hair to get defined with this gel. It was ridiculously frizzy. I saw that while it was wet, tried to re-wet it, smooth what gel was already on it, apply more gel, and it still dried frizzy. And it was ridiculous. So I was like, okay, this gel is crap. Then I did another wash and go with this gel completely over my head. For Christmas, actually. There is a picture, but I'm like, it's me, my husband, and my dog, and we're kind of like far away from the camera, so it's not a good picture, so I'm not even gonna bother to put it up, but there is a picture. I don't know why I told you that, but I loved it. Oh my god, I was so in love with it because, well, you know what? Let me finish talking about how it's picky, and then I'll tell you why I loved it so much, okay? So then I did what I have here. And the bottom half of my gel is hair is a gel that I did not like at all, and I was just getting rid of it. So from the ears down, from the front and all the way around is a gel I didn't like, and then the top layers are the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. And again, I love it. I absolutely love how it looks. So let me explain to you what I loved about this. It had the level of hold of the Eco Styler olive oil gel, so it is definitely firm hold. I think slightly more of a firm hold than the argan oil. However, it is very slippery like the argan oil, so I was able to just go through real lightning fast and slip it through my hair like it was nothing while I was styling my hair. Now when it's wet, it doesn't look like it's gonna be popping. It really doesn't. Every single time that I try this gel, I'm like, it does not look like it's going to look like anything when it's wet. When it dries, it does not have a shiny, artificially, oh my gosh, my curls are so popping that they look fake look to it at all. It's a very, very natural look. So it has level 10 hold, but it does not look like it has level 10 hold. I get to keep length in my hair because my hair stretches out just like it would with a firm hold gel. And then the movement is so natural. I will say that you cannot do the move where I like smooth extra water over my hair and then I smooth through product and then put a little bit on the top for frizz. That move does decrease the definition with this gel. I did do it for this wash and go, and it does decrease the definition, whereas with my regular hair gel I can do that and no definition is lost. My hair has more movement and it's more natural. For the Christmas wash and go, I did not smooth water over it, and it had just as much movement as you see here, and it had a little bit more definition. Just like with all the Eco Styler gels, though, I will say that you're going to get right at 1 week of a wash and go. Right at 1 week, not a day more not an hour more, not a minute more. You're gonna have to wash your hair. I find that these do not last the 11, 12, 13 days like my regular gel would give me. This is a definite 1 week and you're done gel, which is fine because I don't need to go 14 days without washing my hair. But it's nice to have the option on wash day to be like, nah, my hair looks good, I'm gonna keep going. You're not gonna get this option with this gel. So to wrap this thing up, I'm going to say that if I need to use an Eco Styler gel, I'm definitely going to go and get Crystal. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it rinsed from my hair too. It didn't leave like a coating like the olive oil. I don't think I mentioned that review. Kind of has a coating on your hair even after you wash it. This doesn't. I think it's an excellent gel. And it's funny that this is the one Eco Styler gel that has never touched my hair before. Never did I slick my edges down with it. Never did I do a bun with it. Never did I do a wash and fro with it. I have never spent my coins on this gel ever before in my life. So it's funny that is the one that I liked the best of all of them. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it interesting or useful. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, especially if you've had experience with the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. And share it with your natural friends so that they can share their experience, or maybe they could be turned on to a gel that they maybe haven't considered using before.